Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at a unique cleaning solution designed for spaces that need constant attention, the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum Automatic Dustpan. Whether you're running a salon, a pet grooming space, or just want to keep your kitchen spotless with minimal effort, this vacuum is built with convenience and speed in mind. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The EyeVac Pro is a 1400-watt corded canister vacuum designed to tackle dust, debris, and pet hair without the hassle of bending down or using a traditional dustpan. Its automatic sensors detect sweeping motions and activate the vacuum instantly, making it perfect for quick, hands-free cleaning in high-traffic areas. This touchless operation can be a game changer for anyone who's tired of chasing dirt into a dustpan, especially for seniors or those with mobility issues. This vacuum's power comes from a 1400-watt motor, which is no slouch when it comes to suction. It promises to remove 100% of dust, hair, and debris instantly, which is exactly what you need for those quick cleanups after a busy day. Whether you're sweeping up stray hairs from a hair salon floor or clearing crumbs from a restaurant, this vacuum's powerful suction does the job efficiently and quickly. It's clear this is a tool designed for environments that demand high performance, like pet groomers, small businesses, and busy homes. One of the standout features of the EyeVac Pro is its high-efficiency filtration system. With 2 high-efficiency filters in place, the vacuum not only picks up debris, but also helps improve air quality by trapping fine dust particles and allergens. So if you're someone with allergies or asthma, you'll appreciate how this system keeps the air cleaner. The filtered air released back into the environment is a significant plus, especially in spaces that handle dust and dirt regularly. Another major selling point is its touchless operation. Thanks to infrared sensors, EyeVac automatically activates when it detects the motion of debris being swept into its path. This feature eliminates the need for bending over to activate the vacuum manually, which can be a real relief if you're constantly on your feet or if you're cleaning up messes quickly. It's not just for the elderly, but anyone who wants a quick and efficient cleaning solution. So, how does this perform in real-world use? Setting it up was a breeze, with the EyeVac Pro requiring minimal assembly. Once plugged in, it's ready to go. No buttons to press or switches to flip. The automatic sensor activation is incredibly responsive, making it easy to sweep dirt and debris into the vacuum without lifting a finger. It's especially handy when you're cleaning pet hair, as the EyeVac does a great job of picking up both fine and coarse hairs without leaving any behind. When it comes to noise, the EyeVac Pro operates quietly, though it's not completely silent. For a vacuum with this much power, the noise level is pretty reasonable, even during extended use. That said, if you're sensitive to sound, you might want to be mindful of the volume during quieter times of day. Now let's talk about some of the specifics. The bin capacity on this unit is large enough to handle multiple cleanups before needing to be emptied, but it's still manageable. This is key for busy environments where you might be sweeping up debris all day. However, the touchless feature also means the EyeVac's bin does fill up faster than a typical vacuum, since you don't need to interact with it as much. So while the bin is efficient, you'll want to empty it regularly to maintain optimal suction. There's also the added benefit of this being a bagless vacuum. Not only does this eliminate the need for purchasing bags regularly, but it also makes maintenance a little easier. You'll simply need to empty the dustbin and rinse the filters when necessary, which is a straightforward process. As far as build quality goes, the EyeVac Pro feels solid and durable. The materials used are robust, and the unit's design is streamlined for commercial use. It's built to last in spaces that demand constant use, though like any piece of equipment, it's important to follow the recommended care guidelines for longevity. The hose and brush roll assemblies are well constructed and do a good job of handling the wear and tear that comes with heavy-duty cleaning. What about its value for money? The EyeVac Pro is certainly an investment, especially if you're considering it for a business. It excels in environments like hair salons, kitchens, or pet grooming areas, where messes are frequent and need to be cleaned up quickly. For homeowners, it might be overkill unless you've got a high-traffic area that needs constant attention. While its price may seem steep, the performance and ease of use might justify the cost for those who need it. Competing vacuums in this range often don't offer the same level of convenience or automation, making this model stand out if touchless cleaning is a priority. In comparison to other vacuums in its category, the EyeVac Pro performs well in commercial and high-traffic environments, but it's important to note that it's not a general-purpose vacuum for everyday household tasks. Its focus on hands-free operation and powerful suction makes it perfect for salons and pet owners. But for regular home use, other models might offer more versatility and portability at a lower price. In terms of maintenance, the EyeVac Pro is easy to care for, with clear instructions for cleaning filters and emptying the bin. However, long-term users might find that filters need replacing after a while, depending on how often it's used. It's always a good idea to check the manufacturer's guidelines for replacement parts to keep things running smoothly. When it comes to customer support, EyeVac's reputation in the commercial space is strong. Though I haven't had any personal experiences, the brand is known for providing solid after-sales service. If something were to go wrong, it's reassuring to know they stand behind their product. In summary, the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum Automatic Dustpan is a powerhouse for environments that demand efficiency and speed. Its automatic sensors, powerful suction, and high-efficiency filters make it an excellent choice for commercial spaces like hair salons or kitchens, where quick, hands-free cleaning is essential. It's not the most versatile option for homeowners looking for an all-around vacuum, but for its intended purpose, it's tough to beat. If you have the right kind of space that needs constant attention, this vacuum's a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the comments box for a link to get the EyeVac Pro, and feel free to share your own experiences if you've used it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Goodbye till next time, and keep those floors spotless.